Hi again, everyone. This is Professor Sebastian back to our Calculus 3 class notes, and we're on the last page of the section 14.5 notes, which is page 61. And I just had a quick thing I wanted to get across to you, that the chain rule for paths. So if we have a vector valued function that is describing a smooth path C, so this is the parameterization of this path C. And let's say we have a function w, which is f of r of t. That's a scalar function evaluated along C. Then according to the chain rule, the derivative of w with respect to t is partial w with respect to x times dx dt, plus partial w with respect to y times dy dt, plus partial w with respect to z times dz dt. Now the partial derivatives on the right hand side of the above equation are evaluated along the curve r of t, and the derivatives of the intermediate variables are evaluated at t. If we express this equation using vector notation, this is just the gradient of f at r of t dotted with r prime of t. So this is known as the derivative along a path.